Hello everyone! How are you? Have you ever heard the legend of Mayon Volcano? If not, then continue listening, because today I am going to tell you the legend of Mayon Volcano. A long ago, in a place called Ibalon, there was a beautiful maiden. Her name was Daragang Magayon. She was the daughter of Makusog, chief of the tribe. One day, Daragang Magayon strolled down near the river. While crossing the river, she stumbled down on a rock and fell quickly in the water. She was swiftly swept down the stream by the current.
Help me! Help me!
She cried. Fortunately, her cries was heard by Panganoron and his bodyguard Amihan. Panganoron jumped into the river and saved Daragang Magayon.
Thank you for risking your life to save me.
She cried.
How can I repay you? My father is the chief of our tribe. Surely, he will reward your heroism, whatever it takes.
Her beauty immediately captivated Panganoron. He realized that he finally met the perfect woman for him. At the same time, Daragang Magayon was attracted to him. Panganoron asked Makusog's permission to marry Daragang Magayon, but Makusog could not permit them to marry. Tribal law forbade marriage outside of the clan. As tribe leader, he had to enforce the law. Yet, as a father, he wanted to make his daughter happy. Meanwhile, Patuga learned about Panganoron's intention. Patuga was the most ardent suitor of Daragang Magayon. For years, he had been convincing her to marry him, but to no avail. One night, Patuga and his cohorts kidnapped Makusog. Then he sent word to Daragang Magayon that her father would die if she did not marry him. Without a choice, she acceded. Only did Patuga release Makusog. Soon, Patuga and Daragang Magayon will be married. But in the midst of merrymaking, pandemonium broke out when Panganoron and his tribe arrived. Fighting ensued between the two tribes. In a few minutes, Panganoron fatally struck Patuga. However, during the skirmish, a poisoned arrow shot from nowhere fell on Daragang Magayon's breast. Panganoron rushed to her aid as he kneeled over the dying Daragang Magayon. An enemy hacked his head off. After the battle, Daragang Magayon was buried and her death was mourned all over the land. Where she was put to rest, a mountain mysteriously appeared. This mountain is now known as Mayon. It is said that even dead in another form, she is still haunted by the man who loved her. When Mayon is said to erupt, this is Patuga challenging Panganoron. But when Mayon is calm, Panganoron is embracing her. The tears of Panganoron are shed as rain as time in his grief. Until today, many is still delighted by the love story behind the legend of the Mayon Volcano. Moral of the story: follow the rules, respect authorities, and respect others' feelings. Thank you for listening.